Have you ever wondered how all electronic devices, phones, robots, toys, actually work inside? Today, you're going to understand the secret building blocks of electronics in the simplest way possible. Welcome to the STEMisphere. In this video, we will explore all the basic electronic components you must know as a beginner. Resistors, capacitors, diodes, transistors, ICs, sensors, and more. And at the end, we'll even look at a small mini project using these components. Let's begin. The first component is the resistor. A resistor reduces the flow of electric current, just like a narrow water pipe slows down the water flow. It is used to protect LEDs and many sensitive components from high current. The next important component is the capacitor. Capacitors store electrical energy and release it when needed. They charge and discharge quickly, just like filling and emptying a small bucket. You'll find capacitors in filters, power supplies, and timing circuits. Now let's talk about the inductor. An inductor stores energy in the form of a magnetic field and opposes sudden changes in current. Inductors are commonly used in transformers, motors, and electronic filters. Next is the diode. A diode allows current to flow in only one direction, just like a one-way gate. A special type of diode is the LED, which produces light when current passes through it. LEDs are used everywhere, from indicators to displays. One of the most powerful components is the transistor. A transistor can act as a switch or an amplifier. A very small input current can control a much larger output current. Because of this, transistors are used in computers, robots, power circuits, and almost every electronic device. Now we move to the integrated circuit, or IC. An IC contains many components packed inside a tiny chip. Microcontrollers like Arduino and Microbit are advanced ICs that contain a processor, memory, and input-output pins. They act like the brain of the entire circuit. Next, we have sensors and actuators. Sensors detect changes in the environment, such as temperature, light, motion, or distance. Actuators perform actions like motors and servos. Together, sensors and actuators help create smart systems that can sense and respond. Now let's look at a simple mini project, a blinking LED controlled by a transistor. The transistor allows us to drive a brighter LED using a very small signal. This is a great beginner project to understand how switching and amplification work. Finally, let's recap. A resistor limits current, a capacitor stores charge, an inductor stores magnetic energy, a diode allows one-way current flow, a transistor works as a switch or amplifier, an IC acts as the brain of a circuit, and sensors detect and actuators move. This is the foundation of electronics, and once you understand these components, you can start building amazing projects. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the STEMisphere.